know, I decided to shoot a video and all of a sudden a couple hundred birds decided to jump into the tree next door. These birds have a lot more to say today than I do. I know I said I was going to make another video soon, and well, this just happened to be soon, I guess. And it's strange because if you think about it, almost anytime anyone ever says soon, they do mean it, but at the same time, they know they're going to forget. What does soon even mean anyways? Later? Tomorrow? Probably never? Anyways, in my case, it was definitely unintended. I guess sometimes life really does get in the way. And I didn't even realize it's been 4 months since my last video. I was like, oh, it's only been a few weeks. And then the other day I go and look, and I was like, oh my god, 4 months? So I guess the question that people might be wondering is, why haven't you made a video in the past 4 months? What have you been doing in these past 4 months? I guess in the last 4 months we can sum it up like this. I went from working this to working like this, which is actually amazing because it's something that I really love to do. I really love cooking and I really love being in the kitchen. So it's a job that I can actually do every day and not feel horrible about. Oh, I love customer service so much. No, I don't. Summer came, and then it went within the next 3 weeks. It was very short-lived this year. I have bought questionable amounts of video games, made donuts, made a case for all of my video games. I drew some things, I stopped drawing. I started an animation, kind of stopped doing that too. And I guess lately I've just been going to and from work, taking a lot of pictures. So yeah, now that I think about it, I haven't really been doing much. It is so cold today. So thanks for watching, and I'll make another video for you guys soon. Have a nice day.